Hey everyone, we are here at the brand new Waves car wash in Phillip, which is still under construction but is almost complete. So there's the entrance to the tunnel right there. You can see the roller doors, and here we got the manual bays set up. So yep. So the restaurant, there's a restaurant here too. It's called El Porto, or Porto. And yeah, so we have a new 7-Eleven over there as well, which we're on that lot. That's the first to finish here. And then we got two new WashTech combi washers. So yeah, remember what I said about the brushes being grey? Have a look there. They change it. So yeah, they did change the colours, like I said. So yeah, which is quite interesting. See right there. We've got new vacuums, we've got the pay stations up as well. And we'll take you to the tunnel. Look at that, the roller doors are open. So let's see if the... So yeah, this is how big the facility is going to be. We've got the dog washers there. So yep. So there's the drive-through of the El Porto. You got the cafe over there. And just as we go to the end here, there it is. I wouldn't say they're all blue, Mum. What I would say is, I think the ones that are wash, you see there further down, see they're grey.
Ah, yeah.
See they're grey at the bottom, so the wash brushes are grey.
Yeah.
But the drying brushes will be blue. Interesting, see there? They're the new brushes inside. It's a WashTech Softline 2. And you can look there. There's a conveyor system down there as well.
Yeah.
That'll probably be for the detailing service, I would think. So yeah. So the tunnel now has the brushes on, which is cool. I'll try and see the above of it. So yeah, if you can see it from above, there it is. So yeah, that's how it's going so far. If you have any comments, please let me know down below if you like it. See you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.